In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data and perform a data backup in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or an experienced user, this guide will help you securely store and manage your valuable data. So let's get started. The first step you'll want to take is to sign into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho website and you'll see a sign in button. Give that a click. Once you've reached the login page, you'll have various options for signing in. For this tutorial, we'll go through the Google option. Click on Google and you'll be directed to choose your account. Select the Google account that is associated with your Zoho Books profile. If you haven't linked your Google account yet, you might need to input your credentials. Connecting through Google can make things run a bit smoother, and keep in mind that this process might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so a little bit of patience here can go a long way. After successfully logging in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and select Settings. This section is where you'll manage all the advanced options and customization available within Zoho Books. With settings open, scroll down to locate the Developer and Data section. It's positioned towards the bottom of the settings menu, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Click on it and you'll be taken to the area where you can perform various data related functions. Next, click on Data Backup. This feature is your best friend when it comes to securing your financial data. You'll see the option to export your data for backup purposes. Select that and Zoho will begin the process of compiling all your data into a secure format ready for download. It's important to take note that once you've initiated a backup, there's a mandatory cooling period. You won't be able to perform another backup for the next 15 days. This is a safety measure to ensure data integrity and system performance. However, if you need to access your latest data, don't worry. You can still download the most recent compiled version of your data directly from here. Simply click the download button at the bottom to save a local copy to your computer for future reference or external storage. And there you have it, a simple and secure way to back up your data in Zoho Books. Keeping backups is crucial for protecting your business's financial information and ensures you're never caught off guard. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Happy bookkeeping!